How to DIY install LifeSmart smart switch. Remove the wall socket carefully. 1. Identify wire status. Switch off all the switch before start. If there is electrical supply, the diode light will be light up when you placed on the tip of the test pen. 2. Turn off the DB switch carefully. 3. Install smart switch. Identify the cable and connect it into the suitable position. Push the electrical outlet back into the electric box. Four. Screw up panel. Screw the both screw on the panel. Slide in the panel cover and press. 5. Turn on the DB switch and test it. Then test the condition of LifeSmart switch. Now, you have successfully installed LifeSmart smart switch. Any question or want to know more? Call us now.